Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you here about to start to Superscript on Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to Superscript on this video through the certain way that it's still to be really about to be satisfied with that. So really first of all, it's really about to go to find something that to do. So if you done Superscript, you can actually go for the plugin. Use a Superscript, by the way. There is a plugin that is helping you a lot of things, but we can select the text settings and do a certain thing to the Superscript that is related to the font. Maybe you can actually go with the text over here, then typing ABC. We can actually go and start to maximizing or minimizing the font. Okay, according to the text settings, you can see the typograph has a certain details option, and once you go to the typograph here, you can find the position of numbers and position of that. Once you see the position, but actually you can see it. So if you're good upside here, you can see the position, which is really about through this ticket. You can do the Superscript sync over this place, but okay, never mind. You can use the plugin that is really related to Superscript. You can have it and then run it as the Superscript. Then you see there is no selected tickets in Superscript, so there is really something to do. But okay, that's absolutely all about. If you wanted to see if it's ready, that is all about. Help you through this video.